Welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The tech world moves at light speed, and if you blink, you might just miss the next game-changing update. Today, we're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of innovation that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of what's new, what's next, and what's going to redefine how we work and play. First up, let's talk about Apple. Next, we're diving into the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading. Then, prepare for a fascinating look at how AI is being used in a completely unexpected arena: sports rivalries. And finally, we've got a deal on tools that could change your creative workflow forever. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Apple's enterprise AI play, control and expansion. Apple is making a significant push into the enterprise AI landscape, unveiling a suite of new tools designed to empower businesses with greater control over their AI deployments. Scheduled for release this September, these updates are set to arm IT administrators with the ability to configure and manage employee access to third-party AI services, starting with OpenAI's ChatGPT. This strategic move arrives at a pivotal moment, as ChatGPT for Enterprise, launched by OpenAI in 2023, has rapidly amassed over 5 million business customers. These organizations are leveraging the platform for diverse applications, including connecting to internal data repositories, deploying AI agents for customer support, automating workflows, and conducting in-depth research. The exponential growth of ChatGPT underscores the accelerating adoption of generative AI in the corporate environment, a trend Apple is now actively embracing. What's particularly noteworthy is Apple's flexible approach. Beyond just ChatGPT, support documentation indicates that administrators will have the capability to restrict or permit access to any external AI provider. This robust framework ensures Apple remains adaptable in the dynamic AI sector, paving the way for potential future enterprise collaborations with other leading AI players like Anthropic, Cohere, or Google DeepMind, without necessitating fundamental system overhauls. This adaptability is key to staying competitive in a rapidly evolving market. The integration aligns with Apple's dual strategy, enhancing its own Apple Intelligence features for end users, which include advanced writing assistance, email drafting, and image comprehension, while simultaneously granting it departments granular control over AI usage. Apple's commitment to security and privacy is further exemplified by its private cloud compute architecture, emphasizing on-device processing. However, the company acknowledges that many enterprises prioritize their own data handling policies. Consequently, Apple is empowering organizations to choose whether AI requests from employees are processed locally on devices or routed to cloud-based services such as ChatGPT. This flexibility is crucial to how Apple has integrated ChatGPT across its operating systems, including iOS, macOS, and iPadOS. AI requests are directed exclusively through either Apple's own servers or ChatGPT, never both, simplifying the process for businesses to enable or disable ChatGPT access without impacting Apple's native intelligence features. This holds true even for businesses that do not have a direct contractual agreement with OpenAI, offering a seamless integration path. Beyond AI capabilities, Apple is introducing several new enterprise-focused features. An updated API for Apple Business Manager will enable seamless integration of its core functionalities, such as device provisioning, inventory management, and security enforcement, with prevalent third-party IT tools, including mobile device management, MDM, systems, and help desk software. Additionally, a streamlined device migration process is being rolled out to assist organizations navigating mergers and acquisitions, addressing a significant pain point for IT leaders. Apple is also enhancing its return-to-service tool, crucial for resetting corporate devices for redeployment. The forthcoming update will permit apps to remain installed post-reset, thereby reducing device downtime and conserving bandwidth. Significantly, this enhanced service will now extend to Apple's Vision Pro headset, signaling the company's intention for its spatial computing device to become an integral part of corporate workflows. Security and identity management are also receiving robust upgrades. On shared Macs, an authenticated guest mode will allow employees to log in using credentials from an identity provider, with all personal data automatically erased upon logout. Furthermore, businesses will have the option to integrate NFC readers with Macs, enabling employees to log in effortlessly by simply tapping their Apple Watch or iPhone. These advancements reflect Apple's commitment to providing secure, flexible, and powerful tools for the modern enterprise. These developments are occurring at a critical juncture where AI infrastructure is emerging as the next major frontier in the technology sector. Cloud providers, chip manufacturers, and AI research labs are making substantial investments to build the foundational infrastructure required for generative AI. OpenAI, backed by Microsoft, is reportedly investing billions in expanding its supercomputing capacity and data centers to power its enterprise-grade models. Industry analysts view this substantial investment as a long-term commitment to AI's pervasive role in enterprise operations, predicting that generative tools will soon become as indispensable as email or spreadsheets. Apple's strategy positions it at the nexus of this technological transformation, focusing on integrating best-in-class external AI solutions while simultaneously fortifying its own device and software ecosystem to ensure enterprise customers can adopt AI on their own terms, maintaining control and security. So, Apple is really solidifying its enterprise AI strategy. But what if you could use AI to get an edge in a completely different and perhaps more volatile market? Stay tuned, because next, we're diving into how traders are using AI to conquer the crypto world. AI-powered crypto trading, outsmarting the market with ChatGPT and Grok. The intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency trading is rapidly evolving, offering traders new avenues to gain an edge over traditional market analysis methods. Platforms like ChatGPT and Grok are emerging as powerful tools for sentiment analysis, a critical component in navigating the notoriously volatile crypto markets. By leveraging these advanced AI models, traders are not just tracking price movements, they are deciphering the underlying market psychology, a factor that often dictates significant shifts in cryptocurrency values. Sentiment analysis in financial markets involves gauging the overall mood or feeling of investors towards a particular asset or the market as a whole. In the crypto space, where news, social media buzz, and influencer opinions can cause dramatic price swings, understanding sentiment is paramount. Traditional technical analysis, which relies on historical price charts and trading volumes, can often miss the nuances of market sentiment. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT and Grok come into play. These models can process vast amounts of unstructured data from sources such as Twitter, Reddit, news articles, and financial forums at incredible speed. By identifying patterns in language, tone, and context, they can generate sentiment scores that indicate whether the market is leaning towards optimism, bullish, or pessimism, bearish. Traders are employing these AI tools in sophisticated ways. For instance, they might use ChatGPT to summarize the prevailing sentiment around a specific cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, by feeding it recent news articles and social media posts. The AI can then provide a concise overview of whether the market narrative is positive or negative, highlighting key themes and concerns. Similarly, Grok, with its real-time data access and conversational capabilities, can be used for more dynamic analysis, allowing traders to ask specific questions about market sentiment as events unfold. For example, a trader could ask Grok, "What is the current sentiment surrounding the latest altcoin launch?" and receive an immediate analysis based on real-time data streams. The advantage of using AI for sentiment analysis lies in its ability to process information far more efficiently and objectively than humans can. AI models are not susceptible to emotional biases that can cloud a trader's judgment. They can identify subtle shifts in language that might indicate a change in market sentiment before it's widely recognized. This proactive approach allows traders to potentially enter or exit positions earlier, capitalizing on emerging trends or mitigating potential losses. Furthermore, AI can be used to backtest trading strategies based on sentiment indicators. Traders can develop algorithms that automatically execute trades when certain sentiment thresholds are met. For example, a strategy might be designed to buy a cryptocurrency when AI analysis indicates a sustained period of positive sentiment, coupled with other technical indicators. Conversely, it might trigger a sell order if sentiment turns sharply negative. While AI-driven sentiment analysis offers significant potential, it's not without its challenges. The accuracy of AI models depends heavily on the quality and breadth of the data they are trained on. Misinformation or manipulation on social media can skew sentiment analysis results. Moreover, the crypto market is influenced by a multitude of factors beyond sentiment, including regulatory news, macroeconomic trends, and technological developments. Therefore, AI-generated sentiment insights are most effective when used in conjunction with other forms of analysis, such as fundamental and technical analysis. Industry analysts suggest that the integration of AI tools like ChatGPT and Grok into trading workflows represents a significant advancement in market analysis. As these technologies become more sophisticated and accessible, they are likely to democratize access to advanced analytical capabilities, leveling the playing field for retail traders. The ability to systematically analyze market sentiment at scale provides a powerful tool for traders seeking to outperform traditional methods and navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency landscape with greater confidence and insight. So, while AI is helping traders navigate the often turbulent crypto seas, it's also making waves in a completely different domain, the passionate world of college sports. Get ready, because next, we're exploring how AI is being used to map out SEC football rivalries, and the results might surprise you. AI maps SEC rivalries, a data-driven approach to college football's fiercest battles. In the passionate and often deeply entrenched world of college football rivalries, the introduction of AI to define these storied matchups might seem unconventional, but it's proving to be a surprisingly effective tool for objective analysis. One commentator, despite a general skepticism towards AI's current capabilities, decided to test its prowess by tasking ChatGPT with the complex challenge of identifying permanent rivals for each team in the Southeastern Conference, SEC. The initial attempt revealed the nuances of prompt engineering when dealing with AI. The first request, asking for 3 permanent rivals per SEC team based on historical games, proximity, and game closeness, resulted in an overlapping mess. Teams like Auburn and Alabama were listed multiple times, highlighting the AI's literal interpretation without understanding the constraint of exclusivity. This led to a refined prompt. Create 3 permanent rivals for each SEC team based upon historical games played, proximity, and closeness of games. Also, each team can only have 3 rivals, and those rivals cannot overlap. The revised output presented a more structured and logical set of rivalries, accompanied by an explanation from the AI itself. The AI justified its pairings by citing protected historic rivalries, competitive and close series with high stakes, proximity to fuel local intensity, and Missouri's unique position within the conference. While fanbases might debate specific pairings, such as Arkansas, Missouri, or LSU, Florida, the AI's constraint of a strict, non-overlapping 3-rival system aimed to preserve the maximum number of historically significant matchups while maintaining geographical reasonability and ensuring the network of rivalries was solvable. The commentator noted the AI's inclusion of Missouri's specific rivalries, even without identifying as a fan, suggesting the AI recognized Missouri's outlier status within the conference, similar to Oklahoma. However, the AI's pairing of Missouri with Ole Miss, while lacking deep historical precedent, was seen as a reasonable choice due to good proximity and both programs having periods of recent and historical success. The prevailing sentiment was that Missouri's primary historical rival, Oklahoma, was the most critical pairing, and other matchups would fall into place, potentially seeing Arkansas matched with former Southwest Conference rivals Texas and A&M, given their stronger historical ties. This experiment underscores AI's potential to move beyond simple data retrieval and engage in more complex analytical tasks. By processing multiple data points, historical win-loss records, geographical locations, and game outcomes, AI can identify patterns that might be less obvious to human analysts or difficult to compile manually. The AI's ability to generate a coherent and justifiable list, even with initial hiccups, demonstrates its growing capacity for nuanced tasks. While the commentator remains critical of AI's broader applications, particularly its impact on online content quality, this specific use case highlights its utility for data-driven insights. In fields like sports analytics, where vast datasets are common, AI can offer new perspectives and potentially uncover trends that might otherwise be overlooked. It allows for a more systematic and less emotionally biased evaluation of long-standing traditions and competitive dynamics. The exercise concluded that the AI-generated SEC rivalries, while subject to debate, provided a functional and interesting framework. It served as a fun, quick project that showcased AI's capability to handle complex relational data and constraints, offering a unique lens through which to view the intricate web of college football rivalries. This application suggests that AI could become a valuable tool for sports analysts, historians, and fans seeking objective insights into the sport's most compelling narratives. From mapping out football rivalries, we're now shifting gears to a different kind of competition, the digital marketplace, where a massive AI tool discount is making waves. Get ready for the final story, where we reveal an incredible deal that puts a suite of powerful AI tools right at your fingertips. Unlock your creative potential. All-in-one AI tool lifetime deal slashes price by 90%. For creators, marketers, and anyone looking to streamline their digital content production, the challenge often lies in managing a multitude of specialized applications. Juggling different tools for writing, image editing, audio processing, and video creation can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Recognizing this pain point, OneMin AI has emerged with a comprehensive, all-in-one platform designed to consolidate everyday creative work into a single, intuitive hub. The platform promises to simplify the entire content creation pipeline, from initial ideation to final publication, and is currently available through a remarkable lifetime subscription deal. This limited-time offer, available through Stack Social, provides access to the OneMin AI lifetime subscription for an astonishingly low price of just $30. This represents a significant discount from its usual price of $234, marking a saving of $204, or approximately 87% off the standard cost. This aggressive pricing makes powerful AI-driven creative tools accessible to a much wider audience, empowering individuals and small businesses to enhance their content output without a substantial financial commitment. The OneMin AI platform is engineered to cover a broad spectrum of creative tasks. For writers, it offers features like outlining posts, refining copy with more impactful language, summarizing lengthy reports, and performing grammar checks, all within a single interface, eliminating the need to switch between multiple writing and editing applications. For visual content creators, the platform includes robust image generation capabilities, background removal tools essential for product photography, simple retouching features, and image upscaling to ensure graphics maintain clarity and sharpness on larger displays. Document management is another area where OneMin AI aims to simplify workflows. Users can upload documents to extract key highlights, translate sections into different languages, or pose targeted questions to quickly retrieve specific information without having to read through entire files. This capability is invaluable for researchers, students, and business professionals who need to process large volumes of text efficiently. Audio and video content creation are equally well supported. The platform can transform scripts into realistic voiceovers, reduce background noise in recordings, add editable captions to videos, and resize video clips for various social media platforms like Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Built-in templates help maintain brand consistency with predefined fonts and color schemes, ensuring a cohesive look across all published content. Users can also integrate their existing asset libraries, seamlessly mixing custom elements with platform-generated content and saving new versions without disrupting their workflow. Accessibility and flexibility are key tenets of the OneMin AI design. The platform is accessible via the web, with dedicated mobile and desktop applications, allowing users to sync their work across devices. This ensures that drafts and projects are available regardless of the device being used, facilitating a fluid transition between different working environments. For technically inclined users, an API is available to integrate specific features into custom websites or internal tools. However, the user interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that individuals without extensive technical expertise can navigate the platform with ease. The lifetime subscription model represents a significant value proposition. By paying a one-time fee, users gain perpetual access to the platform's features, eliminating recurring monthly costs and providing long-term cost predictability. While OneMin AI doesn't aim to replace high-end professional studio software, its strength lies in its ability to significantly reduce the steps and friction involved in moving from an initial idea to a polished piece of content. This exceptional $30 lifetime deal from Stack Social offers a compelling opportunity for anyone looking to consolidate their creative toolkit, enhance productivity, and leverage AI for content creation at an unprecedentedly affordable price point. We've covered Apple's enterprise AI push, AI in crypto trading, AI mapping college rivalries, and a massive AI tool discount. Now, let's quickly recap the biggest stories of the day. Get ready for the lightning round. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Deep Dive. Apple is beefing up enterprise AI with more controls, AI is giving crypto traders an edge, AI is even settling college football debates, and you can grab a massive AI tool suite for next to nothing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to ChatGPT Insights for more groundbreaking tech news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and let us know in the comments which story you found most electrifying. Follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.